Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Hartun Hoyer, and today on my channel we're going to learn how to find the volume in a pyramid. Now, a pyramid is a form of different triangular shapes. There's a cone, there is triangular prism, which is a very difficult one to solve, but we will get to that in a future video. And then you have a pyramid. Now, a pyramid is essentially four triangles leaning against each other at a point right here, and the base is also counted in. So thus making a square or rectangular base from the four triangles that lean against each other. And to find the volume for this shape, we use this formula. We multiply the length, the width, and the height, and we divide that number by 3, thus giving us this number here. So before we get started, please take a moment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the little notification bell on the right to get daily notifications of all my videos. And with that said, let's get started. So, like I said in my previous videos, the way you solve using a formula is you just plug in the numbers here. And we have three-way multiplication, so that's easy because we have three numbers. So we don't have to put the numbers in a specific order, although it is nice to know which side is your length, your width, and your height. Remember, lengthwise, the width is how thick it is, and the height is, well, the height, how tall it is. So let's get started. Let's multiply all these three numbers together and divide by 3. So we have 6 times 5 times 4. Divide that by 3. Okay, so we're going to do multiplication first. So 6 times 5 gives us 30, times 4 gives us 120. Divided by 3 gives us 40. So our volume is 40. And remember, these are just numbers, but on your homework or classwork, you might have centimeters or inches or millimeters or whatnot. And in that case, you wouldn't write centimeters or millimeters. Let's say it's centimeters, you would write centimeters cubed, because remember, it is how much is inside. So let's go on with the next example. Okay guys, let's get on with the next example. So here on the second example, we have yet another pyramid, and we have our three numbers. And we are going to use the formula again to solve for the volume. So, like we did in the previous one, we're going to plug these three numbers in for the variables and divide that number by 3. So let's do it. So we have our 4 multiplied by our 3 multiplied by our 2. And notice I'm not doing it in order. It's still the same, because remember, associative property. And divide that by 3. Now let's just multiply straight across. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 12 times 2, is 24. We're going to divide it by 3, giving us a volume of 8. And remember, if it has any sort of denomination of measurement, you would put that same denomination with a cube over it, because that is the volume. If it is the area, you would square it. Let's get on with the final example. Okay guys, so we're back with the final example. And here we have a bit of a bigger number, so that means we're going to get a bigger answer. And like we did in the previous videos, we're going to plug those numbers in and get our answer. So let's go ahead and do that. So our length is 9, our width is 7, and our height is 4. We're going to multiply those numbers to get, and we gotta divide by 3, and that multiplied is 250. Let's write it down here. 252. And if we divide that by 3, the 3 gives us a volume of 84. Now the reason I keep doing this the same exact way is because doing mathematical equations or solving in a geometry expression is just like muscle memory, as you call it here. Muscle memory is when you get used to the movement, right? Let's say you're playing ping pong, or you're doing what's it called, boxing, right? You know, the little beanbag, and you just go. That's muscle memory, because you got to know the timing, right? Now it's the same here on math and geometry. You have to remember. Okay, I see 4 numbers. I see 3 numbers. I remember the formula. Boom, crunch those numbers, get your answer. And that's why I keep doing them over and over again, to help you memorize and get that muscle memory down. So this has been my video on finding the volume in pyramids. If you like this video, please subscribe, give a like, hit the thumbs up. Until next time, I'm Harutun Harian. Keep on learning, kids.